What's the meaning of cantonment? Cantonment. Cantonment.
Cantonment. Cantonment. A cantonment is a type of military base or garrison used by armed forces to house troops and support personnel. The word is often associated with British military presence in colonial India during the 18th and 19th centuries. Cantonments were established as self-contained communities with their own infrastructure, including housing, schools, hospitals, and recreational facilities. Today, cantonments continue to exist in many countries around the world, serving as home to military personnel and their families. Their purpose is to provide a safe and secure environment for soldiers to live and work while on duty.